Good morning, I am Nilaksh and you are watching News at 8 with Giant TV. The headlines: CBI to appeal against Sajjan Kumar's acquittal in New Delhi High Court. Another nephew of Pawan Bansal surrenders in the railway bribery case. KKR out of playoff race as Mumbai climbs to the second spot. And Amisha Patel to flaunt desi look at Cannes red carpet. Now, the news in details. CBI will challenge the acquittal of Congress leader Sajjan Kumar in a 1984 anti-Sikh riots case by a city court. CBI is planning to approach the Delhi High Court in this connection. IIT has found strong grounds which could form basis of its petition. CBI sources said here today that agency is likely to wait till the court pronounces its verdicts on the quantum of sentence for those found guilty in the case. On 30th, Delhi court had acquitted Kumar in the 29-year-old case in which he is accused of murder and of inciting a righteous mob that killed 5 Sikhs in Delhi's cantonment area.